Hey everyone, what is going on? And this is KDK kiodiekin. Just wanted to bring you all a very important update. Traxxas has released a WideMaxx kit for your XMaxx RC. So I got this email earlier today. This is another important update in the RC car community, especially for those of you who have a XMaxx. This potential upgrade gives your car better suspension and stability, especially when you're making those wide angle turns and additional jumps you guys may perform. So let's get into it. Let's check it out. I mean, this is pretty phenomenal. In fact, I'm thinking about going ahead and getting one of these to add to my car so I can go ahead and get out there and bang with the best of them. Let's check it out. All right, so you're going to get a tougher, wider stance. The Traxxas X-Maxx sets the standard for extreme monster truck fun with a tough as nails attitude, brutal power. Let's see what the retail price on this is going to be. So this is giving you an additional 30 millimeters across from the original X-Maxx update. 2.36 inches, 60 millimeters width increase. That's pretty nice there. So that way your car won't flip over as much. Um, I really didn't have too much of a problem flipping over, and my X-Maxx wasn't really a big deal. But you know, for those of you who wanted to get out there and get that additional suspension increase, this will definitely help. I hope this doesn't have any effect on the gearing, because I can tell you from previous years' experience when I have upgraded my RCs and added a longer wheelbase for suspension, it did take a toll on the diffs. And so I know this is a bigger car. I used to do that with my 16 scale Traxxas uh, E Revo. So hopefully, even though that's on a smaller comparison in size, this one won't give me the same type of performance. Right now, it looks like it's only coming in green, but let's take a look. I want to see if there's anything else that comes with this. So let's see. The available in 5 different color options. Oh, that's pretty cool. Widens the X-Maxx by 2.36 inches, 60 millimeters across, for increased cornering stability. Extended arms constructed from extreme duty cold weather compound. Kit includes upper suspension for arms, lower suspension for arms, extended drive shafts. Ah, okay. WideMaxx tilt links and new springs. So again, hopefully this doesn't impact the diffs, because we all know usually when you start changing out particular parts, it will affect some other kind of part on the RC car. I hope that doesn't really affect the diffs, as I said earlier. So you're gonna get 4 different color options. Let's see what else is available for this. We got a better look here. So this is what it's going to look like. Just a little bit longer. Gives you better suspension and durability. Okay, so they do offer it in black. Get blue. What is this? Green. And then, of course, red. Now, I think another thing I am wondering, is this going to be the quality of RPM? Is RPM going to make something like that with this type of suspension? So I guess we'll just have to wait and see if there are any aftermarket companies that make something that's a little bit durable. If this just going to be Traxxas, is there going to be aluminum upgrades in this particular standard? But all in all, I'm pretty cool to really see this happening. I mean, this is just another cool thing for RC enthusiasts and for the X-Maxx truck. Again, I haven't had too much of a problem with mines really flipping over, but this will give you guys that additional stability. Now, the other thing that I would be concerned about is the type of tires for this vehicle. Now, of course, from previous years, if you add on heavier tires, how is that going to affect the overall performance, considering that it is going to be extended out a little bit further? So I guess we'll just have to wait and see when all the other RC modders are out here in the community adding this on, to see if it's affecting the diffs, if it's affecting the wear and tear on the overall vehicle by adding on heavier tires. Again, I know this is a Traxxas thing where they're releasing parts, but you know, I just hope I don't see those concerns. But all in all, I'm just happy overall to really see this. I mean, you can see the extended stock width of the vehicle gives you another 30 millimeters, which would be pretty good. Uh, yeah. So let's see what the price on this is going to be here. Click on the button for buy now. And it looks like $200. That might be a deal breaker for some. I mean, remember this car is already about what $600 or $700, and then now you're adding on this wide suspension kit. I think the X-Maxx cost in the car may have gone up since the last time I really looked at it, even though I'm here on the site. But $200, I was thinking maybe 60. You know, for me. Um, let's see what else we got here. Yeah, I was thinking at least $60. I'm dead serious. 60, maybe $70. $200 for this kit for a lot of people. I really feel that's pricey considering that there are a lot of other RC companies out there with somewhat similar, you know, but we'll have to see. I know a lot of people lately have had a lot of complaints about Traxxas and the quality of their stuff breaking and whatnot, but $200 for this, that's a bit much, you know. I mean, I know it's a bigger vehicle, and don't get me wrong, guys, but uh, I mean, again, you know, I know a lot of people spend money on Traxxas and with their parts, but 200, yeah, 150 for me would be pushing it. 150, maybe 100, but 200, no, it's kind of a deal breaker. But anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video review. I just wanted to point out that this is a new accessory coming to Traxxas. Obviously, it should be available now. Traxxas model 7895X. And so you get these included parts with the springs. So the only way to really test how these will really work out is, you know, buying them and taking a look and seeing how they're going to last. So right now, this car, yeah, it went back up to $1,000. So you figure $1,200 to do this. That makes me wonder: are they going to include this with their newer truck? So, for example, you already have the X-Maxx, what is it, the 8S version out here. So you have this. Will the new ones that they start shipping out include this upgrade? Now that would be a better buy for that $1,000 car. Is to already go ahead and buy the car with the included upgrades. But if this is something that's just going to be sold entirely separate, I think for a lot of people that might be a deal breaker. But again, this is a Traxxas upgrade. So guys, consider subscribing to the channel if you guys want to hear some more RC news. I will be posting more about this. But yeah, this really helps the hobby community. I mean, I'm sure a lot of other stores may be carrying these directly. In fact, let me pull up Horizon Hobbies, or not Horizon Hobbies, I'm sorry. Let me follow up with some of the other stores like Marty's Hobbies, Pacific Coast Hobbies. I wonder if they will be selling them for a lot less. Again, this is if you go directly through Traxxas, but I'm sure your local hobby dealer will have these at a better cost. I'm sure of it because $200. I keep forgetting that this is the Traxxas only price, but you know what? I'll update the description or I'll leave a comment in the video once I find out. I know it's a little bit late right now. I will call Marty's Hobbies and Pacific Coast Hobbies to see exactly what they're going to be selling these for once they get these in, and then I'll update you guys. But again, guys, this is KDK kiodiekin signing off. Catch you guys later. Peace out. Bye-bye.